Okay, this is Kian and welcome to this retro unboxing video of AutoCAD 2.6. So this is a box that we found inside the office as we were clearing things out. You can see immediately a couple of things are obvious. There's the on the top there we have the AutoCAD user reference. We take a look. This one's in German. So presumably it was translated by the Neuchatel office back in the day. Some pretty cool images in there, line drawings, talking about the functionality in AutoCAD 2.6. Then underneath it, well, first of all here we have presumably the hardware lock. I mean, the dongles were massive back then. There it was. Would fit on your printer port, and make sure that it wasn't hacked or cracked. Cracked. Now here there's the 5¼ inch floppies. There's a deck of them here. Once again, the label slipped on that one. I think there's probably about, I haven't completely opened this up, but I'm guessing there's like 10 or so floppies there, give or take. I'm going to leave them like that because at some point maybe it'll even be possible to load them. Unlikely, but you never know. There we have the installation guide. Now this, for the IBM PC, this was English. This one, so we can see all the instructions. There's quite a lot of detail around various configuration for graphics tablets, which of course, so digitizers, where you had to do things quite manually back in the day. And some display configuration. So there's quite a lot. I mean, obviously back then things weren't all that standardized. There's quite a lot of work needed to get all this stuff working. Then on to some fun stuff, the Autodesk user reference, or the programmer's handbook. This one was translated into German, so here we can see everything there, written in German, with Lisp. All very cool. Down the garden path. I think I recognise that. Very nice. It's probably what it is anyway. So that's all very interesting. And then I think the very last thing, we just have a supplement for 2.6. Now I think actually 2.6, I will just double check the version number there. That's 2.644. So it was released I think in 1987, this one. And here we have presumably just a sort of a set of addendum of new functionality that was in this particular release, because the rest of the documentation may have been for a slightly older version. At least that's my guess. Again, all in German, this one. So that is it. April 1987. AutoCAD 2.6. So, all very fun. It's quite a heavy set, as you can imagine. So it's not the sort of thing I'm going to be shipping around, unfortunately, but at least you get to take a look at it. Okay, thanks. Bye.